Hi folks, this is Şefik. In this video, we are going to do something exciting. We are going to unbox the official Microsoft MVP award package. I recently became a Microsoft MVP for developer technologies, and in this video, we are going to unbox this MVP box and show you what's inside of the box and talk about the MVP award. But before we start, please like the video and do not forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest videos. Also, your comments are more than welcome. Thank you for your all support in advance. Most of you may know MVP from NBA series. It's short for most valuable player, and it's given to one player for a season. On the other hand, Microsoft MVP award is given to tech contributors all around the world, and currently there are 3,000 MVPs. So it's a big deal, but it's not a job from Microsoft or it's not a certification. It basically means the recognition of your contributions to the tech community by Microsoft. Of course, Microsoft MVP is not the only recognition program in the tech world. Alternatively, you may see Google Developer Expert program from Google or GitHub Stars program from GitHub. They are all valuable programs for developers. Alright, enough talk. Let's open the box. Firstly, we are going to see a Microsoft MVP trophy, a crystal clear heavy trophy with MVP logo. This is going to look great on your background. And on the award, it says, "We recognize and value your exceptional contributions to technical communities worldwide." And here you are going to see the MVP award logo. It's a great reminder of all your work you put into tech community. Secondly, in the box, the year crystal is coming, and I was given the award in 2024, and this shows the exact year, and you are going to attach this into the award. If I can renew my Microsoft MVP award next year, the New Year's crystal disc emphasizing 2025 is going to be given, and I'm going to attach that into the here. Even though this trophy seems really exciting, this is not the real proof. Once you awarded the Microsoft MVP program, you are going to have your digital certificate. Secondly, you are going to get a recognition letter signed by Microsoft MVP program executive. Thirdly, in addition to recognition letter and digital certificate, your name is going to be listed in Microsoft MVP website. So you may wonder how I got the MVP award. The MVP award is invite only. You should be nominated by a Microsoft employee or active MVP. Google Developer Expert program has similar nomination process. You should be nominated by a Google employee or active GDE. On the other hand, GitHub Stars program is totally different. Anyone can nominate one for this award. In my case, I was nominated by a Microsoft employee. She filled out a form explaining why she is thinking I'm deserving MVP award. Then I have to submit my application and list all my contributions, including by my website, my YouTube channel, my open source projects, and more. I applied on late October and I got an email from Microsoft congratulating me about MVP program on early December. So it takes approximately 1 month. One big misconception is that you don't have to use Microsoft technologies to be awarded as a Microsoft MVP. For instance, in my case, I got my award for developer technologies and all my contributions are based on Python. These are not related to Microsoft technologies at all. Besides the recognition, MVP program comes with many perks such as Azure credits, GitHub Pro and Copilot, LinkedIn Premium, and more. So in this video, I explained what Microsoft MVP award and how you can be nominated and how you can get the award itself. Also, I unboxed the Microsoft MVP box. Becoming a MVP has been my dream since my college years. It finally makes me feel really excited to get this award, and because this is really an important milestone for me. If you are passionate about sharing your knowledge to the tech community, you could be a Microsoft MVP too. If you do like this video, please like it and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, your comments are more than welcome. Thank you all for watching and see you next time.